boys and girls and me, Ducky Plays, bringing you Challenge 8 of my badge series. So this is going to be a pretty fun, it's actually going to be a kind of a short badge, but it's kind of a funny badge at the same time. So there's something that my Uncle Josh can do, and I just started doing it. So it's kind of weird. I have got a lot of people to try. They almost kill themselves doing it. Not in a bad way. Not like they don't really try to kill themselves, but they almost die. I mean, suffocate themselves. So this is something that we can do, and this is the master that taught me.
Want me to do it?
Yes. Yeah. So we can both do it. And, nobody else can. Everybody else that I've seen try to do it, they're like...
My friend tried the other day and he was like...
I know.
I was like, what are you doing? And the teacher was like, what are you doing? He's like, I'm trying to do something. Be quiet.
Yeah.
Like, you do not talk to the teacher like that.
Well, actually, one of the teachers, it was actually a substitute, and she came over to me. I was like, hey, if you promise to do this before I do this, will you do it, actually? And she's like, yeah. And she kept her promise, and I was like, right in front of her, and she's like...
Did she actually do it though?
No, she couldn't do it. Like, she tried her best, and it looked like everybody else how they do it. It was so funny. It's really funny when some of them do it, so, yeah. I'm Groot. I mean, I guess, somebody's Groot. This was the mouth challenge.
And
yeah.
After this video, down in the comments, leave a comment saying your favorite kind of Doritos. Mine is spicy and sweet chili. I'm just gonna block the name off, just in case copyright or something.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
What was that? Okay, guys. That's the end of this video here. My friend Mascot. Well, his name isn't Mascot. His name's Ducky Plays. He's like my son. Who's the mom? Okay, shut up. So this is Ducky Plays.
Ducky Plays Jr.
This is Ducky Plays Jr. This is my mascot. I've actually had him since I've been like 3. Not even kidding. Quack. Okay guys, that's the end of this challenge here. If you enjoyed, hit that like button down below.
Remember to write about Doritos.
Yeah. Remember to write about Doritos. Yeah. Comment.
Like about beep.
Comment and I will give you a shout out. Subscribe to my channel if you're new. And I will see you all later. Goodbye!